loud.
Today I'm going to show you how to make an exploding nerf bullet. Okay, if you mod one of these guns called the nerf blaster, if you take part of it out, the barrel, it has these little sticks. Just rip them out, and you can use them for modding your bullets and stuff. Well, like I said in my last video, you stick 3 in the bullet, but this time it's going to explode. And then there's also this piece that when you mod the barrel, and you just bend it in and stick it in there like that, and then you shoot it. You know, on impact, this thing comes off and all that stuff explodes, and it really hurts.
And it's cool. Da da da. Bye.